So in this step-by-step video, I will show you how to change name on YouTube. So this step are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. Just make sure to watch the video to the end. You don't make any mistake. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store and install this app called YouTube Studio. After you install the YouTube Studio app now, go and open the app now. So after you open the app for the first time now, it will ask you to log in using your Gmail account that you use on your YouTube channel. So after you log in, it will now take you to this option like this. Now tap on this profile icon at the top right side. So tap on this pencil icon. As you can see, this pencil icon, tap on it. So now as you can see, here is my channel name. So now if you want to change the channel name or YouTube name, tap on this icon, this pencil icon again. So as you can see now, here is the name on my YouTube channel now. If you want to change it now, go and delete the name that is existing and type in your new name. After you type your new name, just tap on this save button. It will save your YouTube name. So I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comment. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.